Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to generate AI art with Leonardo AI. So you have to go to the Leonardo AI homepage. So what I like to do is to go to the Leonardo's homepage and just scroll down to see if I would like or enjoy the sites I would see. So let's assume I see something I like or love. I will just click on it and assume the prompt for my own. Let's say I want to create something like this. I can see the prompt below. All I'll have to do is to copy it and remake it into my own model, and there we'll have it. Alternatively, you can just go to the Leonardo's image section and click on concept art. You click on the model presets, then change it to concept art, and then upload your prompt and click on it and wait for it to give you your image. So I have done that and see what it gave me. So while this one is cinematic, this is the art form. Thank you very much and do have a great day.